Hello. Remember me? Remember me? It's Yolanda. And this is Susie. Can't see her so good. I can see. She's grouchy.
That was for her school play in preschool, and then we couldn't get her out of her costume for like a month afterwards. And then
Today we're talking about parakeets. Do you know about parakeets? Well, I do. They poop a lot. See them right there. See them? See them? The yellow one is the girl, and the blue one with the white is a boy.
That's a great picture, John. Did okay.
And as you can see, it's raining, and this is not the weather. It was raining. Let's watch some stuff. This movie is called Marley and Me. Well, that's enough. See the dog. I'm showing around my house, and we're gonna do something special. What's your favorite show? Nickelodeon or Disney Channel? Just go on a web show of family. About family, I mean. Yeah. As you can see, the yellow bird is cold. Look at the blue one swinging. Let's go outside and check. But first, I gotta do something. Você pode desligar? Porque eu vou lá fora. Okay. Now. Excuse me. Susie's coming too. Okay, come on, Susie. Come on, come on. Come on. She's not coming. Look at her. Come in. Look at them. Look at the one swinging. That one's a boy. He loves the mirror. Look at the girl. It's on the cage. I live here at Lake Point. Look, Susie's joining us. Have you ever seen this? Whoa! Read it. Miracle Bubbles. if you go on part 3, you're gonna have a lot of fun. And that's today. I mean, it's tomorrow. Make up a web show and name it. You could do it on the camera and put it on YouTube. That's what I'm doing.